Welcome everyone. I am Chef Christy and thank you so much for watching today. If you are new to my channel, I share quick and easy and delicious recipes each and every week. So I really hope that you consider subscribing to my channel and hit the little notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload a new video, you will know. But today, I'm excited to share, it's all about the burgers today. I am making a bacon ranch cheddar burger. It is delicious. It's one of my favorites. And so I hope that you watch this whole video and share these recipes with your friends and help me grow my channel. So enough said, let's get started. Okay, so what I have here is about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and I'm going to add a pack of the dry ranch seasoning. And then I'm going to add, I'm not sure if you have one of these little, I have a little container here that I keep bacon grease in and keep it in my refrigerator. And so I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of the bacon grease. And that's just kind of my little secret because this is a lean beef and it just adds some extra fat and the bacon flavor to it. So I'm just going to mix the ranch seasoning with the bacon fat. Okay, so now I've got all this mixed really good. So what I'm going to do is just form patties and just going to make some patties and place them on my plate. Okay, so I have 5 patties and then I'm going to place them on my cast iron indoor grill pan. Okay, so to my grill pan, I'm going to just place my burgers, and my grill pan's nice and hot. And I also have my bacon over there cooking in my other skillet. Alright, get these burgers going. And of course you could do this on an outside grill. I like to do mine, sometimes I like to do mine in an indoor grill. So it's up to you. And I've removed my bacon. I've placed it on a plate with paper towel on it, and I'm getting ready to flip my burgers. And in case you're wondering why not just use the grease, this bacon grease right here in your burger mixture, you want to use cold bacon fat, because if you use hot, it's going to cook your meat as it's going in. So you just want to use the cold bacon fat in your burgers. So let's see if these are ready to flip. I think they are. Woohoo, look at that. Nice grill marks. All right, just gonna place a piece of cheese on each burger and just let that melt. Okay, if you want a trick to make your cheese melt faster, I just take a big bowl and cover my burgers. You do want to be careful lifting that lid though, because it can be kind of hot. But look at those, cheese melted. Woo! Okay, it would not be complete without taking some buttered buns and just letting them grill quickly on this grill pan. Okay, now it is time to build our burger. And there's just something about a toasted bun that just makes the difference. I don't know if you all agree. So I'm gonna put my burger on the bottom, and then I'm gonna get a couple pieces of bacon. And then here's the deal. I like barbecue sauce, but you of course could use ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, whatever your preference, but I like barbecue sauce on my bacon, ranch, and cheddar. So I spread that all on top. Then I get a nice thin slice of tomato and some lettuce. And then here's another kicker that I love is these French fried onions. It just gives them a crunch and it's really, really good. So I'm gonna put that on here. I'm gonna give you a nice close-up of this. Ta-da! Beautiful burger. I'm gonna cut this in half. I'm gonna show you what this looks like. Oh, that is so good. Okay, here is the moment of truth, folks. Oh, we have got to try this. And it is messy, but hey, aren't good burgers supposed to be messy? Is there a thing called burger dance? Because I'm about to bust out in one. That is so good. I hope that you try this. And I don't know if I got barbecue sauce on my face or not, but it is well worth it. It's delicious. I've enjoyed cooking for you today and showing you my favorite burger. So I will see you soon, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.